Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get more fresh sprouts in Heartopia for the building challenge. So once you've joined a team in for the building challenge, you'll have this island terminal outside of your house. If you press this, there's the build challenge sale. So basically you will get fresh sprouts, which you will need if you do place a lot of items in your island on your island, sorry. So if you go to build challenge, it says here fresh sprouts can be obtained through selling during the build challenge and other methods. The higher the workload, the more fresh sprouts are needed. It's probably like that, but it got cut off. So you are just going to press this and you're going to sell the items. This is the double procurement price this week. I don't know why they added the pink necked firefly. I'm not even level 51 yet, so probably it's level 51 or something. But I can still submit the common carp and the Hercules beetle for the double procurement price. But there's also the regular one here that you can submit. I'm just going to submit these tensions and I'll get 40. Okay, it does depend on the star here. This nurse hound is 460 and then this card is 400, I guess. Oh, this is the double procurement one. I don't want to sell it because I only have one. I'm gonna sell this crayfish and you're just going to press sell if you do want to sell it. But ooh, you also unlock an achievement from that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. My team has a lot of fresh sprouts. I think we don't need that much. We have 20,000 so far out of 10,000 for the team currency. So I don't know, we'll see later. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!